Hello and welcome. This is Norbert from MLMmarketingmastery.com. In today's video tutorial, we're going to be discussing content sharing strategies and how we can use content sharing websites to generate massive traffic, leads, and sales for our business. Now, this strategy really it's a very simple plan, and it can be very effective. The plan is basically to create unique and valuable content and offer it to the community and basically share your content on various websites with the community. What we're going to be focusing on is creating various articles, posts, web pages, blog posts, and other types of content based on your top niche keywords from the research that you've done in your keyword research in the previous video. Now let's briefly talk about the major players in the content sharing websites. Major players that we're going to be using are number one, Squidoo.com. At Squidoo.com you create what are called lenses. These are basically web pages, single page web pages on specific topics. It's a really fun, creative environment, and the great thing about Squidoo as well is that they allow and encourage affiliate links. There's a really great sense of community on Squidoo, and we definitely want to tap into that. The next one is Hubpages.com. It's similar to Squidoo, but more journalistic in style. They have great positioning in the search engines, and they get a lot of traffic that we're going to tap into. Number three, the next major player is Gather.com. Lots of great features and content that you can share here. Images, video, articles, and some great groups that we'll want to network with. Now, these are just the three major players that I'm focusing on right now. There are many other content sharing websites that you can utilize, but these are really the best three to begin with. In addition, there's a couple of other things that I wanted to mention. The other website I wanted to talk about is EzineArticles.com. I think most people are familiar with this site. As you're creating content and articles, you'll definitely want to post them at our EzineArticles.com. Now, EzineArticles isn't quite the same as Squidoo and Hubpages, but they get excellent search engine rankings and excellent traffic. So if you're making all this content, you might as well utilize it and post it at EzineArticles.com. I would also suggest that you submit it to some of the other top-ranked Ezine article directories. You will find a list of those in the article marketing section. I do not recommend that you purchase any software, any article submission software that submits articles to 600 different article directories. Just if you focus on the top-ranked, highly trafficked, most popular Ezine article directories, that's all you should be doing. Now, with Ezine articles, you want to put your links in your bio at the bottom of each article. There are 5 different bio footers that are available, so you can create different bios for each article. Also use deep links, which means the links don't necessarily have to go to the home page of your website. They can go to specific articles, or specific pages on your website that maybe go into more detail about the topic of your article. And of course, Ezine Articles gets excellent search engine placements. The second thing is blog it. If you don't already have a blog, go ahead and create one. Go to the blogging section at MLM Marketing Mastery and review some of the tutorials there. You'll want to create a simple blog, and as you're creating all this content, you want to make sure you're posting all of your content on your blog as well. Also, very important, make sure that you're always using the keywords, long tail keyword phrases, and the popular keywords that you've found from your keyword research. Remember that keyword research is the foundation for all of your marketing to make it more effective.